Is Sticky Notes crashing every time you open it or while you're using it? In this tutorial, I'll show you several proven ways to stop Sticky Notes from crashing and get the app working normally again. Start with the simplest solution by restarting your Windows computer. Temporary software glitches or background processes can sometimes cause Sticky Notes to crash. After restarting, try opening the app again. If the app is still crashing, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Find Sticky Notes, open Advanced Options, and select Repair. Windows will scan the app and fix common issues without removing your notes. Next, check for updates. So open the Microsoft Store and install any available updates for Sticky Notes. Then open Windows Update and install the latest system updates. Many crashes are resolved through software updates. If repairing and updating don't solve the problem, return to Advanced Options and choose Reset. This restores the app to its default state. If your notes are synced with your Microsoft account, they'll be available again after you sign in. As a final step, uninstall Sticky Notes from Windows Settings and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. After installation, sign in using your Microsoft account to restore any synced notes and verify that the crashes have stopped. And that's how to fix Sticky Notes when it keeps crashing. In most cases, repairing the app, installing updates, or reinstalling it resolves the issue. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and thanks for watching.